Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 23H2 on VirtualBox 7.0. So this is my latest version of VirtualBox I have installed. So first I am going to create one Windows 11 virtual machine. Next I am providing a destination path where Windows 11 virtual machine is getting stored. So let me give some good name to Windows 11 virtual machine, Windows 11-23H2. Okay, so now I browse the ISO image file which I have downloaded from Microsoft website. So Windows 11-23H2 ISO website. So select skip another installation. Next, 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores I am providing. Next, I am going to allocate 160 GB virtual hard disk size, 160 GB. So 80 GB is the minimum. So I am having more space, so I am allocating 160 GB. So once again, go to settings. System, motherboard, uncheck floppy. So optical drive will be first device in boot order, and make sure pointing device is USB tablet and enable EFI is checked. Okay. So network will be NAT. We need internet connection for this for starting. Okay. Okay. Press any key from boot from the DVD. Okay, so English will be my default language. US English. Install now. That's it. So I am not having a product key. I am selecting Windows 11 Pro. So Windows 11 Pro only will be used for developers. So I am selecting Windows 11 Pro. Click next button. Accept the license agreement. So select custom install. Now click the new link. It will partition the hard disk like this. Okay. So single partition only I am having. Click the next button to begin the installation. So installation is started. Okay, so finally I have completed the installation. Okay, so this is the Windows 11 23H2 desktop with minimal installation. So you can see that the display is not adjustable as of now. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to eject the Windows 11 DVD ISO file. Now I am going to insert VirtualBox guest edition CD image and going to install VirtualBox 7.0 guest edition in Windows 11 23H2 guest machine. So I am selecting VBox Windows edition AMD 64. Run as administrator. Okay, so VirtualBox installation is completed. Guest edition installation is completed. Finish it. Now I am going to power off this virtual machine. So once again go to Windows 11 settings, General Advanced, enable share clipboard and drag and drop. So hard disk is the only device in boot order. That's it. Okay, after adjusting the screen resolution, let me try the drag and drop. Screen resolution will be adjusted automatically. I can't do anything. So the screen resolution is adjusted automatically. Okay. So wait for some time. It will adjust the screen size automatically. So now you can see Windows 11 23H2 running in full screen. See here, it's correctly adjusted now. I mean, after VirtualBox guest edition, screen resolution is adjusted automatically, but it takes some time for me. Okay. Now let me try drag and drop. Okay. So drag and drop is enabled by direction. So 1 second, let me try. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Drag and drop is working fine. Let me copy. Okay. Yes, drag and drop is working fine. So Windows 11 23 H2 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is successful. Let me show the system information. So this is my system information. So let me show my operating system information. So this is the OS info.